The popular electric SUV, the BYD Atto 3, has gotten modest upgrades for the 2025 model year. While the essential functions are mostly unaltered, there are a few significant improvements that make it even more enticing. Here is a thorough summary of its features. The Atto 3 has a modern design language, including sharp corners and a dynamic appearance. The front fascia has a strong LED headlamp design, which is accented with a distinct daytime running light signature. The back features LED taillights and a sleek roofline. Available in a variety of colorful hues, purchasers can personalize their vehicle. The body shape is designed to maximize airflow, which not only improves looks but also increases efficiency and lowers wind noise. The Atto 3 normally seats 5 passengers and has comfortable seating for extended excursions. Premium upholstery and heated seats may be provided. The SUV has a huge trunk compartment with split folding rear seats for increased versatility in transporting heavier things or luggage. The vehicle has a huge central touchscreen, about 12 to 15 inches, that controls most of the entertainment functions, including navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The Atto 3 has a powerful electric motor that provides instant torque, resulting in rapid acceleration. The 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour time is competitive, ranging from 7 to 8 seconds depending on the variation. Different driving modes, such as Eco, Normal, and Sport, enable drivers to tailor the driving experience to their preferences. The Atto 3 incorporates BYD's Blade battery technology, which improves safety, energy density, and durability. The LFP chemistry promotes stability while lowering the possibility of thermal runaway. The car supports both AC home charge and DC fast charging, making it ideal for everyday use and long-distance travel. Depending on the setup, the range can be modified with different battery capacities to cater to different driving patterns and requirements. The Atto 3 has innovative features such as speech recognition, wireless charging pads, and multiple USB ports. The system often supports a wide range of apps and services, such as streaming music, weather updates, and real-time traffic information. This feature allows the vehicle's software to be remotely updated, ensuring that it is up to date with the newest features and security advancements. BYD is committed to using sustainable materials, such as recycled plastics and natural fibers in the inside. BYD has programs in place to encourage battery recycling, contribute to a circular economy, and reduce environmental impact. The Atto 3 is aimed at environmentally aware consumers seeking a practical, elegant, and technologically advanced electric SUV. It's especially enticing to families and urban drivers.
Thanks for watching.